Yo, hold on before we get started. Shout out the channel. Shout out the channel. Here y'all go. Y'all can go do it for yourselves if y'all want. We doing another guess the car. Bro, I'm kind of upset. I broke the kickstand off my phone, so I'm waiting for my new case. So I'm kind of. Anyways, guess the car by the sound. Ain't gonna lie, I was zoned out. That's a Revuelto. That's this Lamborghini right here. I didn't know they could do that. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. They got a hybrid though. They're hybrids now, right? That's definitely a BMW 6-cylinder. That's definitely a BMW. I think the new Benzes are like 4 cylinders or something crazy, but they make more power than the previous gen V8s. What is this blue convertible though? I like that. That's a Corvette. That's a Corvette. Yeah. Definitely. Audi R8 or Huracan. That one V10. Yeah. It makes me curious though. What does the Maserati sound like? They're nice if you know what I'm saying. They're running, I guess. Oh, but you can say there's a lot of cars. I think Maseratis are notoriously terrible. Though. Okay, I want to say Porsche, but that's not very Porsche. I don't think it's a Porsche, so I'm gonna go with the Alpha. Dang. Oh. So, I was right? I was right. Oh, that's Jaguar F-Type. Come on now. Come on now. Yo. If they did have a V8 Z4, that'd be crazy. Didn't they? They had like some small convertible with like. I gotta go look it up. That is an angry V12. I don't know which one, but yeah. That thing was not happy. Hold it. No, I want his type of money, bro. I want his type of money. Mercedes? Yeah, I'm gonna go with Mercedes. GTR R35. Yeah, yes sir. Unrelated, I want a convertible drift car. Something about like not having a roof, being able to just throw my hands out. I don't know. Oh, what we got out the block though? We got an old Ferrari. Yeah, go look up them so you can go do What am I saying, bro? This is the channel if y'all want to do it yourself. But this is Guess the Motorcycle now. R1. R1. Oh my god. I'm gonna go with R1. That cross plane. Now that could be an Aprilia or a Ducati. Ooh, KT. It's not a Kawasaki. I think it's an Aprilia. What is that? A ZX10? Yeah, I don't think it was one of them. Dang. I'm gonna go with the Kawasaki. Well, there's two the A. That was an H2? Well, I knew it was a Kawasaki. Really? That was an H2? This might be a Ducati. But it might be like a scrambler or something. Oh, a Ducati. Ooh. I think it's the A. It was a Ducati, but it wasn't the right one. You know, I was about to say R3, but R3s don't pop like... Wait a minute, it might be an R3. That's an R3 down there. Right? Or is it a 400? Yo. I rode one of those. They're actually pretty fun. Ooh, is it an MT-07? Did I forget my favorite bike? I haven't rode one of those yet. Those are fun too. That sounds like a drag booster. Actually, no, that's an R6. No, it's not. I think it's a Suzuki. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Might be a little biased because I do have one. It's in shambles, but... I don't know, bro. That bike was so far away. I don't know. That's not a Gixxer. Oh. He's doing it again?